Harrison Bergeron database overview. We're now going to look at opposing viewpoints. So we're in letter O. So let's scroll down to opposing viewpoints in context. And this database takes up controversial issues and presents both sides. So what we're going to do first is we're going to be looking at how fake news plays a role in social media. So fake news on social media. I love it when the computer knows exactly what I want to type. So we'll search this. And the way that this database is set up is it'll open up to an overview. And on the right-hand column, you have the featured viewpoints that will give you a side, for or against, pro or con, point or counterpoint. Reference articles, statistics, images, videos, audio, magazines, newspapers, academic journals, and connected websites that have been already peer-reviewed for you, so you know that these websites here are what we can consider reliable and authoritative, which is very important in the research process. So we're going to look at statistics for this example. When I click on statistics, this is really nice because it provides for you information that sometimes is kind of hard to gather when you're doing your research, is finding those stats. So we're going to click on Can You Spot Fake News? And you're going to compare yourself to the rest of the nation in terms of how well that you can spot fake news, based upon a little survey game that's part of this section of examining database overviews. And hopefully you fall somewhere in the very confident range that you can determine whether or not news is fake or real.